Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. In this video, I would like to give you an update on what is happening on the market, especially what is happening with Bitcoin. And I would also like to give you an update on Bitopex. So we will have a look at what the zero TDE copy trading strategy is doing. So let's start with Bitcoin. And as you can see, there was a huge dump. So Bitcoin dipped all the way from 101, 102 down to 92,800 in a single day, right? In 24 hours. So this is like a $10,000 dip on a single day, right? Uh, so what happened? What happened? So we saw a lot of liquidations on the market. So a lot of people were basically opening long positions, right? And if you see too many long positions in the market, you typically will see a flush out. So 2.2 billion wiped out from the market, right? So this is one of the factors. Whenever there is a lot of open interest, you will see a big flush out. And also we see Trump imposing new tariffs on Mexico, on Canada, and this also has a huge impact on the market. And we saw over 700,000 traders that were liquidated, right? So, and yeah, as I said, Trump announced new tariffs 25% on imports from Mexico and Canada, 10% on goods from China. And obviously, markets reacted very nervously to this one, plus all the open interest that you see on the market. So, this has caused a bloodbath. But typically, what you will hear during these times is if in doubt, zoom out, right? So this is typically what the long term holders would say, long-term holders like myself. So that's why I would like to do exactly this. So we just zoom out, right? So if we look back, if we still believe in those cycles, right, in 4 year cycles, then we would pretty much see that we are here, right? I mean, this pattern has repeated again and again. So the last cycle, 2020, the cycle before that, 2017, and then 2012, all cycles did the same, right? And if we still believe in those cycles, then we are pretty much here. So there's still way to go, right? There is still some um, upward potential that we see here. So if you go back to the same time 4 years ago, what was it? December, uh, January. We are now in February, right? So February 4 years ago, that was pretty much 46,000, right? 46,000. And then we went all the way to 58, and then we were at 60, and then 57, and then we had a huge correction, and then we came back to 66. I think 67 was the all-time high, and that was in November. So if history repeats, and if the cycles are still intact, then we might do something similar here. So from 107, we might go all the way to 120, 130 potentially, and then see a correction like this here potentially, and then go back to 120, 130, 140. I mean, on this chart, we even see that it might go to 180 and 190, right? So, yeah, I'm on the conservative side of things. I'm looking at the levels of 130, 140, potentially 150. But if you look at this chart here, Bitcoin might even go to 200,000 still in this cycle, right? So let's go back to Bitopex and see if Bitopex reacted to this market volatility. And as you can see, the Bitopex zero TDE copy trading strategy doesn't care at all, because we are at zero profit for the last 24 hours. which basically means the algorithms stayed out of the market. So whenever there's volatility, the zero TDE copy trading strategy stays out of the market, right? The zero TDE strategy only opens positions when there is low volatility because it shorts the volatility, right? So let's have a look at details. So that's the equity curve, as you can see here. So we have 73% since the inception of this copy trading strategy. Let me have a look at the whole chart, right from the beginning. So we started back in May 2025, and now we are in February 26th, and you see this nice equity curve. And on the left hand side, you see the corrections. So the red bars that you see here are the corrections, and the maximum correction was 2.4. That was the biggest correction here. And if you guys into futures trading, for example, you would typically see two-digit corrections, two-digit drawdowns because of the leverage that is involved. Here in options trading, you don't have leverage, right? So that's why the downside potential is limited. That's why you see those small average drawdowns. The average drawdown is 0.7, as you can see here. So the CAGR, the compound annual growth rate, is 88, and the Sharpe ratio is beyond fantastic, right? Because if you look at the Sharpe ratio of Bitcoin in 2024, you will see a Sharpe ratio of 4.35, and the Sharpe ratio here is almost double, right? So this is as far as the zero TDE strategy, and then there's also something new in BitOp on the Bitopex platform. If you head over to options, right? So you were able to trade Bitcoin options, Ethereum options, and now you can trade Solana options, right? This is brand new. I think it launched 2 days ago. So you guys can now open Solana options, right? You can open a call option, a put option. You can sell it, you can buy it. So let me switch to the table view. So this is pretty much how you can play the market. So those are the prices. If you want to open up a put, if you want to buy a put, just click here and you will see the price here. And this is pretty much for those people that don't want to pay a big premiums on Bitcoin or Ethereum, because Solana is still affordable. You see those low premium prices. So if you want to open up a put at, let's say, 192, just hit here and enter the amount you want to spend, and then you open up the position, right? So Solana is now tradable on Bitopex. Well, if you are not into trading, if you don't know how to open crypto options positions, and if you find it too risky, I really recommend you guys having a look at copy trading, especially the zero TD strategy. It's totally hands-free. You just you just top up your account of USDT or USDC, and you can use 3 different networks: Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, Tron, and then you just you just join the copy trading. You go to manage position, you add amount, click add amount, and then you add the amount you want to add to your copy trading, and that's it. Well, the minimum will be $10, and after 7 days you can get out anytime, right? You just stay for the initial 7 days, and then you basically get out, right? So you can have your funds back anytime. So this is all I wanted to share in this video. If you want to join the Bitopex copy trading strategy, you will find the link down below, and also there is an instruction on how to join. So, and I would like to thank you for watching this video. If you like the content, give us a like, give us a subscription, and see you in the next video.